Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cuthbertson Marketing. Today, we're diving into an exciting and innovative way to boost your event marketing efforts. This way is by using a multifunctional, dynamic QR code. A QR code is a versatile tool that can help promote your event, provide essential information, and engage your attendees in unique ways. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about promoting your event. A QR code can be a game changer in promoting your event. Include a QR code on all your promotional materials, like flyers, posters, social media posts, and even email newsletters. Yes, even a QR code in an email can be accessed even if someone is looking at that QR code on their phone. Remember, all they have to do is take a screenshot of the QR code, save it to their photos or gallery, open that saved picture, and then long hold on the QR code to access its content. Otherwise, when scanned, this QR code can direct potential attendees to your event's landing page where they can get more details, buy tickets, or RSVP. This makes it super easy for people to take action right away. Imagine this: someone sees your event poster at a coffee shop. They scan the QR code with their phone, and within seconds, they're on your event page reading all about it. No need to remember a long URL or type it out manually. It's quick, it's seamless, and it's effective. Next, let's talk about providing event information. A multifunctional QR code can be placed on event programs, badges, or signage around the venue. This code can link to schedules, maps, speaker bios, or any important updates. This not only saves paper but also ensures that attendees always have the most up-to-date information at their fingertips. For instance, scanning a QR code on their badge could pull up the day's schedule, helping attendees plan their day more efficiently. Or, if there are any last-minute changes, updating the information linked to the QR code means attendees get real-time updates without needing to print new materials. Now, let's get into engaging your attendees. A QR code can be used for interactive elements like scavenger hunts, feedback forms, or exclusive content. Create a scavenger hunt by placing QR codes around the venue that attendees can scan to get clues or collect points. This adds a fun and competitive element to your event. Want feedback? Place a QR code on tables or at exit points for attendees to scan and fill out a quick survey. This makes it easy for them to share their thoughts and helps you gather valuable insights to improve future events. To sum it up, a multifunctional QR code is a powerful tool for promoting your event, providing essential information, and engaging your attendees in a creative way. They're easy to implement, cost-effective, and can greatly enhance the overall event experience. Give it a try at your next event and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cuthbertson Marketing for more tips and tricks on QR code marketing. See you next time.